Guys, welcome to Henty Math Secret Channel. Okay, how you guys been doing? Today we'll be looking at expansion of algebraic expression, and we're going to be using two methods. Then after that, you pick the one that you think it suits you well. Okay, so let's go to work. Let's look at this. We have x plus 3 into x plus 2. Let's use the normal method that our teacher taught us. We use everything in this bracket to multiply everything in the other bracket. So we'll say x into x plus 2. Then plus 3 into x plus 2. So we'll do x times x will give us x squared. X times plus 2 will give us plus 2x. Then we have 3 times x, we have 3x. Then 3 times 2 will give us 6. Then from here we solve it. We have x squared. 2x plus 3x will give me 5x plus 6. And that is our final answer. Now let's look at another way we can solve this. We have x plus 3 times x plus 2. We are going to do it this way. Okay, so let's look at what we have. You need to know what you have before you can have. You have the sign with this. This is a positive x and this is a positive 3. I want you to know that this sign, this 3 is the owner of this sign, and this 2 is the owner of this sign. So when you are doing anything, you have to carry it with the sign. So we go 2 times, now let's say plus 2 times plus 3 give us plus 6. Then x times x give us x squared. Then we cross multiply. X times plus 2 will give us plus 2x, and x times plus 3 will give us plus 3x. Okay, having them together, plus 2 plus 3 will give us plus 5x. And that is the answer. Okay, so which one do you want to take? This or this? Let's look at the second one. This one we see we have negative signs. So we have x into x minus 5. Then we have minus 4 into x minus 5. Okay, x times x will give us x squared, and x times minus 5 will give us minus 5x. Okay, we have minus 4 times x will give us minus 4x. Then here, minus 4 times minus 5 will give us plus 20, because minus times minus is positive. Okay, so from here we have x squared minus 5 minus 4x. I'm owing somebody 5x, I'm owing another one 4x. How many x am I owing together? 9x. So whenever the signs are the same, I add and still put the sign. So I'm going to add 5 and 4, and I will still put the sign, which gives me minus 9x plus 20. And that is the answer. So let's look at how we're going to solve this same thing. Using this example, we have x minus 4 times x minus 5. Okay, now remember what I said. This minus is this 5 that owns it. This one is this 4 that owns it. Is their property. Is their personal belonging. They don't share it. So we'll do minus 5 times minus 4 will give me plus 20. X times x will give me x squared. Then from here we'll go minus 5 times x will give me minus 5x, and minus 4 times x will also give me minus 4x. Remember we say when the signs are the same, you add and still have the same sign. So this gives me minus 9x. And that is the answer. Okay, let's look at this third example. When we have a negative sign in one box and we have a positive sign in another bracket. Okay, so we'll do x into x plus 4 minus 3 into x plus 4. To open this bracket, we have x squared plus 4x. Then we use this to multiply this. We have minus 3x. Now, please look at this. Minus times plus will give us minus. Minus times plus will give us minus. So we do minus 12. Okay, so from here we have x squared. Now, when you have two different signs, you subtract and the answer will take the sign in front of the bigger number. So now we have two different sides. So we have a positive number here and we have a negative number. Since we are dealing with these two numbers, we subtract and our answer will take the sign in front of the bigger number. So we do 4 take away 4x, take away 3x, we have 1x remaining. And what is the sign in front of the bigger number? Positive. So this gives me plus x. Plus x is the same thing as 1x. But we don't do 1x because 1x is just as repeating the same thing, minus 12. And that is the answer. Okay, let's look at how we use this, a very fast method to solve it. Remember, the 3 owns this minus, while this 4 owns this plus. So when you are talking about the 3 or you are talking about the 4, you have to talk about them with the sign. Okay, here I will say plus 4 times minus 3 will give me minus 12. Why? Because minus times plus will always give me minus. Okay, then plus or x times s will give me s squared. Then we go this way. X times plus 4 will give me plus 4x, and x times minus 3 will give me minus 3x. Now we have two different signs, and the positive number, when we have two different signs, we subtract, and the bigger number, the answer will take the sign in front of the bigger number. So if you subtract this, you have plus x, and that is the answer. Okay, guys, hope you guys can do this without any stress. Either of the method you want to use is good, but me, I like to use this play because it makes my work faster. Okay, guys, let's see. I want you to do this and put the answer in the comments. Put your answer in the comment box. Okay, very soon, Auntie Ronke will be doing giveaway. I know you don't want to miss that. So guys, in my next video, we're going to be doing another algebraic expression. Okay, please solve this too and put the answer in the comments section. Remember to share this video. Invite your friend to like this Auntie Ronke Master channel so that all of us can learn together. All of us can be a greater mathematician. See you guys in my next video. Bye.